Drive modes allow you to personalize your drive in your Lincoln Navigator SUV. Whether you prefer to tailor your ride to road conditions or maximize your driving experience, you have 7 different drive modes to choose from. Each drive mode has unique visuals and a description in the center touchscreen to help you identify your preferred mode. When a drive mode is selected, a variety of vehicle characteristics may change, such as engine throttle response, transmission shift points, steering feel, instrument cluster layout, and graphics, and more. Some drive modes are designed for specific road conditions. Now, to access the drive mode, simply press the drive mode button in the center console. You can locate it just to the right side of the volume knob. Or if you prefer to use the center touchscreen, you can access the drive modes in vehicle settings. Let's take a look at the 7 drive modes. Normal mode is best for everyday driving. This is the default mode after each ignition cycle. Normal 4A mode automatically engages 4-wheel drive, delivering power to all 4 wheels as required. Excite mode is for sporty on-road driving. This mode increases the throttle response and steering feel and holds the transmission in lower gears longer for enhanced acceleration. Conserve mode helps to encourage efficient driving by accelerating gently and braking softly. Slippery mode is for the less than ideal road conditions such as snow or ice-covered roads. Deep conditions mode is used for crossing terrain that has deep rutted surfaces such as mud, deep snow, or deep sand. And an available drive mode slow climb is included with the addition of the 2-speed transfer case. This mode can be used when you are climbing steep grades or pulling a boat out of the water on a launch ramp. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Lincoln Navigator.